High RAM usage is the #1 cause of sudden game hitching, micro stutters, and massive input delay during intense team fights. No, you cannot magically download more physical RAM from the internet. But out of the box, Windows 11 actively steals gigabytes of your existing memory to compress background office tasks you don't even have open. Today, we are reclaiming that locked hardware, stripping the bloat, and forcing your PC to give 100% of your RAM directly to your game executable. First, we need to disable a hidden Windows feature called memory compression. While it's great for laptops with tiny specs, it forces your CPU to constantly compress and decompress background data inside your RAM mid-game, spiking your system latency. To kill this, hit your Windows key, type PowerShell, right-click it, and select Run as administrator. Type or paste the exact command which appears on the screen, and you can also find in the description below. Hit enter. This completely stops the dynamic compression loop, lowering your input delay instantly. Next, we are forcing Windows to instantly dump and clear out inactive application data that sits rotting in your RAM cache. By default, when you close a background program, Windows leaves pieces of its data stored in your memory just in case you open it again, hoarding your gaming hardware. Press your Windows key plus R, type regedit, and hit enter to open the registry editor. Go to the address bar at the top, paste the path shown on screen, which you can find in the description too, and hit enter. Right-click any empty space on the right side, select New, then click DWORD 32-bit value. Name this new key exactly as it's shown in the screen, or paste it from the description. Double-click it, change the value data from 0 to 1, and click OK. This forces Windows to immediately flush out dead background memory loops, keeping your RAM completely clean for your game. Finally, we need to optimize your system's virtual memory paging file. When your physical RAM maxes out, Windows uses your storage drive as secondary memory. By default, Windows manages this size dynamically, creating constant read and write spikes on your SSD. Search for View Advanced System Settings and open it. Under the Performance section, click Settings, then go to the Advanced tab and click Change. Uncheck the automatic box at the top. Click your fast SSD drive, select Custom Size, and set both the initial and maximum size to exactly 16,384 if you have a 16 GB system. Hit Set, then click OK. This locks down a stable, permanent high-velocity backup pool for your RAM. Restart your PC right now for the PowerShell changes and virtual memory blocks to take effect. If you want to increase your FPS, check this video here, and I will show you how to stop Windows from dropping your FPS because of these hidden files. And I'll see you in the next one.